Okay, here's another video on linear compensation. First, let's make sure we're on linear compensation. Power it off, turn it back on. While it's in boot, hit dot. And you can down arrow, you see the resolution, the directions, and then it says XYZ comp, and we're in linear comp in all three axes. You hit dot to get out. Now we have the indicator zeroed on a 2-inch block, which is 50.8 millimeters. So what we'll do is we'll run it down to the table. And zero the gauge. We come up with 50.85. So according to the formula, you take the desired value minus the actual value, which is 050. You take the wanted value divided by 1,000, 051. Then you take negative 050 divided by 051. It comes up to negative 0.98. So we go back into here, say 0 metric, and it says S00. So we want to set it to negative 0.98. We say negative 0.98. Enter. If you notice, we're already at 5.80. So now we'll go 0 on the block. Zero on the block, 0 on the gauge. Now let's run it back down. And we'll zero it. Zero. 50.8, you're set.